Mojito. All you need is white rum, lime, mint, crushed ice, sugar. So let's get started. Take your highball. Take 8 wedges of lime, 2 to 3 spoons of sugar, there you go. Now you need to muddle it to extract the juice and the oil from the lime so it mixes well with the cocktail. Okay. Now you need to add mint leaves. Make sure you add mint leaves later so you don't kill the mint leaves while you muddle the lime. So you just need to slightly muddle it so you extract the flavor. Take about 8 wedges of 8 leaves, mint leaves. And this you need crushed ice. If you do have a crushed ice, please use crushed ice, top it up to the full. If not, use normal ice, as like I'm going to use normal cube ice. Just to add extra taste to the drink, add 10 ml of simple syrup, and if not, you can add a lime cordial, whichever one you like. $60 ml of white rum, top it up with soda. Take a spoon or a bar spoon if you have and give it a nice stir. Try to mix the drink. Like I said, to finish a drink, all you need is garnish. I'll be using fresh mint leaf, and a slice of lime. There you go. Cheers. That's your mojito. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment if you have any suggestions or want to see anything special. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Cheers.